Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute and unmute microphone on your headphones JBL Live Flex 3. So to mute and unmute the microphone, you should press and hold on your left one or the right one earbud right here, and you can see a voice message. So let's test it. Now, as you can see that I'm speaking here, but if I press and hold, now I hear that mute on, and as you can see there's no sound, so I press and hold again, and it unmuting me. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!